We're in our garage right now. We have something to show you. Andrew, so you guys remember this car. We've done some videos with him. He's awesome. He's got the subwoofer, the fidget spinners, some lights, but light buttons. We just got this, the Barbie Mobile. We got this thing custom wrapped. It's a color changing paint. This thing is fresher than fresh. We've got the Mercedes here. Custom camo seats on this guy. So we can't just keep these cars in the garage. They need to get out and get some daylight. It's almost winter. Who's gonna help us? I don't know. We got 3 cars. There's only 2 of us. We need some friends.
Bro, I can help.
Oh,
here.
What
dude,
the?
Dude, me too. I just walked here.
Oh, you guys can help us?
Yeah.
Dude, we just walked from Florida right now.
Oh, yeah.
Dude,
Thank you. What do you guys think of our cars?
They're
Impressed?
Nice.
Next one, very nice, but I didn't walk all this way to ride in this. Come on.
Dude,
What do we need to do then?
I'm not sitting in that.
Clean it out, detail it maybe, I don't know.
We need to get these freshened up. No,
Yeah.
you don't want to be seen in public driving this, do you?
No.
Yeah. All right, let's take it to the wash.
We gotta take it to the wash.
Guys, we got all the vehicles on, but the hood almost blew off.
Yo, look at this guy. Buddy, He's trying to fix the car. Put the underwear away, bud. He's fixing the car in the middle of the road.
In the middle of traffic.
Oh no. Go. This is just beautiful, but luckily all the toy cars didn't fly off while we were driving. We're making a quick pit stop at the Apple store because in order for this guy to play its custom sound system, we have to get like an adapter for the new iPhones since they don't use these anymore. Guys, just what we need.
Thank you very much.
Okay, $9.
Now we can play tunes.
Yes, tunes are a must.
Okay, we are installing.
Yes.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah. No, louder. Dude, not even kidding. Oh my goodness. This is better than my speaker in my car. In my car, my actual car. Oh! So loud! So loud! That's way better than my car. Oh my goodness.
That was just a sample,
Buddy.
4.
Oh, vacuum. Whoa. All the dust, bud. Also, look at this windshield. Oh, very dusty.
Yo! Look what I got over here! Dude, look at that! We're rich, boy!
How much is that?
Let's make it Gold Rush! At least like $100?
Yeah.
Okay, we are here at our first stop. We're thinking some Burger King, guys.
Easy.
Which car? Which car do you want? Okay, I think he's taking the wrap. That's what I would take.
You're taking this one?
Doesn't it look like we're at like a car show? You know how people show up with like the cars on their truck bed?
Yeah,
and it's
for real.
like, boom.
Like, look at everyone watching, dude. See?
I'm getting in.
You got it?
There, I'm in. All right, it's time for the first drive-through in the brand new whip. I am in a vehicle.
Okay, go ahead and order.
I'll just get a 10-piece chicken nuggets.
Okay, wanna wait at the window?
All right.
Hi.
Hello.
It's gonna be 108. Yeah, the drive-thru thing wasn't going off, and that's why I thought someone was just standing.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Awesome, thanks. Have a great day. Got some nuggets for the boys.
Yes.
Oh!
Hey,
Hello!
finally met you guys.
Yes!
Chicken nugget? No.
It's time for the trifecta.
Yeah, it was just me who went through the drive-thru, but now 3 cars in 1 drive-thru. You ever seen it done? Well, toy cars.
I'm getting in. This is the only one I fit in.
Door, man.
Dang, sorry.
Andrew literally barely fits in this.
Please start.
Full speed ahead, go. It's not going?
No. Give it a little push.
No, maybe Big Boy can give you a push. We got a 4, dude.
Yeah, you have to push me.
I think that's how it has to
my
be.
battery's dead.
We've been charging it this whole time.
Just,
We're curious, guys. Leave your comments. Which of these is your favorite vehicle? They all got something unique about it. So
we need to know the fan favorite.
this one's got the custom seats, sound system, fidget spinners, custom color.
This one's just so quick though.
Since mine has like very low battery, we're gonna see if it push me. See if it gives me a boost.
Oh yeah, that works. Yo, that works. That works, bro. 3. Oh. Oh, watch out for the real car, boys.
Okay, we're in line. Hang on, I gotta get in my car. All right, here we go. We're in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru, guys. This guy in front of me is acting like a maniac, dude. Yeah, both of you get off your phone.
I'm just holding it.
Oh, okay.
What would you like? I don't know if I should put 1 car or 3.
Actually, Bud's got it in the back. He's gonna pay.
Okay.
Ricky, what do you want?
I'll take a spicy chicken, no pickles.
What are you doing?
Oh, Justin with the pass.
Did a sandwich milk lemonade, spicy sandwich.
Yeah, push. Go. Ow, Bud. Oh, Bud. That's it.
Hey, get back in your car! Get back in your car! Hey, you're the rest of my car! Bro, I didn't hit you! Get in your car!
Easy, Speed Racer.
Gonna go, bud. I got your car broke.
There we go. It fits perfect.
Just got a receipt, and look what they put for guests. Mini cars. That's us, guys. Fellas, the fries are a little cold. I'm gonna put them in the microwave for a little bit. All right.
Not too long though, bud.
Ow, 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 ow! Ow. No. They're hot, dude, they're hot!
Ah, so warm! Is Wendy's?
It's Wendy's. It's okay.
Sorry, we cannot take your order with those
What, why?
because they're technically not a vehicle.
We're just on a quick road trip, just need a couple Frosties.
For the boys.
Then one of you guys can come inside. I can't do it. You guys are speaking to a manager right now.
We spent a lot of money on these cars, probably more than real cars.
Honestly.
I still cannot have you guys come to the drive-thru. It's a hazard. Come on, Bronson. You guys can come inside.
Wendy's just said we can't go through on these because they're not real cars. So we have a solution.
The solution, Justin's gonna drive the actual car. All 3 of us go in these cars, and then we're gonna order from the trailer. And ask him, does that count? I think it does. We're on a car, on a trailer, being towed by a car. Just want the Frosties right there.
Leave us some Frosties.
Yeah, can we just get a couple Frosties?
All right. Are you inside a car again? You can't be in the back of it, though. This is like just our rules. I'm sorry. I don't want to argue with y'all. You can come get your Frosties.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Got your snacks?
Yeah, so after 40 minutes, we got Frosties.
Worth it though.
The whole time we've owned these cars, we have never done a single race. So we are going to race the Ford with the camper van.
Have you guys seen the Fast and the Furious? This is basically an exact copy.
He's about to get wrecked though. Fresh new paint job. What else is more to there to say,
If
dude?
I'm being honest, dude, I'm not confident in this car at all. I mean, look at that and then look at this. He's got every advantage. I'm probably gonna take it out, but I'm gonna try.
3,
2, go!
High gear, bud. Boom!
Oh, it's got the NOS! Oh! Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Oh! Dude, how's that thing so fast?
I don't think that you can ride this one over here, sir.
Oh, you can't?
It's like
I
our
don't think
motor.
so.
It's like our motorized shopping cart.
Yeah,
If the manager would let us shop, then sure, we'll wait. Okay, we just wanted to check because you know there's people who ride the
the electric carts
Yeah.
that were supplied.
Okay, well,
Sorry, nice try though.
all right.
Make a quick Yui.
Oh, is that you?
They're getting back. He ordered his Uber inside of him. Yeah.
Welcome. Where are you heading today? Canada. That might be too out of our range.
No, we'll do it.
How would you rate your Uber experience?
Oh, 6 stars, easily.
Wow. Good job.
You guys can cruise around in these things on private property, but when it comes to the point of doing that kind of thing at Wendy's and they don't like it, you know, you guys got to get out of there if they tell you to get out or whatever else. I don't think they told you to leave or anything like that. I think they just told you to kind of obey their little rules with ordering and whatnot.
Yeah.
So it's not really a big deal. If you got a buddy who has open property, that's the best place to do it. I don't know if these things can do off-road or not.
Maybe someday. We'll make them. Yeah, we'll modify them.
Is that blue and gas powered?
The blue one?
Electric.
They're all electric right now.
How does the bass not take out all the electricity?
It goes pretty quick
Yeah.
if you're playing music.
That's hilarious. Just be careful, all right?
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like for cars. And check out the fellas, Ireland Boys, link in the description, somewhere on the screen. Anything else you want to say?
Dude, all I gotta say, put God first. Amen.
Amen! Let's close it off with that. Goodbye!
Peace!